This is Jason Faulkner again, aka Shop Weasel, and this video is to bring public awareness to the Space Force efforts that they mentioned. It's digital warriors, terrorists, really, continually manipulating the interactions of people with the electronic world. And it's in constant motion, and they're constantly adjusting it to create a more tension interaction every instance with the continual decline of the internet. You know, they're micromanaging individuals with advanced malware AIs that are adjusting and jockeying every input that a person tries to make online and get seen, as if you were going to get seen to begin with, because everything's so firewalled. You know, it's permanently, continuously firewalled, and to where they misspell your grammar and everything. You know, I wonder, I would love a good look behind the scenes of all this, because, you know, they just, I suspect they unleash a malicious AI against a person and walk away from it, and that AI is continually running and jockeying to diminish a person's drive to even use the internet. Even misspelled grammar, you know, just now making the last video, it was literally fighting me subtly, very slick, to hinder me and cause a disturbance that I would notice, you know, by not allowing me to correctly spell the word repeatedly. It is an inhumanitarian set of technology that they're wielding, and no one's going to check them on it, because everyone's embroiled in their affirmative action lifestyle. You know, they're not going to make a wave. They don't want to be seen or heard. They have nothing to say. They're just, you know, affirmative action recipients. They're going to get what they get, and they're content with that. I don't know. I'm not one of them, though. You know, so I made this video.